Many of you will be traveling for the holidays, which means you'll get your cars checked before hitting the road. But watch out for an old school scam that's coming back. It works like this. You take your car in for those new tires. Well, the car has been needing them for a while now, and when you're there, you're told you need an alignment. They bring your car into the shop, raise it on a lift, remove the tires, that's so you can't leave, and then begin their scam. They tell you your tires wore out due to a bad alignment, so you okay the alignment. After all, the last set of tires didn't last nearly as long as they should have. Plus, they'll give you a great package price for the alignment with your new tires. Damn, sure feels good to find an honest shop. Well, next they start checking the suspension and steering parts for the alignment, which is 100% legitimate. But if they're dishonest, it's where the scam begins. They tell you your car needs new ball joints, tie rod ends, control arm bushings, or any of a dozen other things under the car that you don't know and wouldn't know if one of them hit you in the face. Anyway, they explain that the car could be dangerous and needs to be fixed. Then they build your trust by giving you a price for the new parts and labor and tell you that because you're spending a lot of money, they'll give you a discount to help. Wow, now you're really impressed. And tell them to go ahead with the work. They install the new parts, then your car goes to the alignment machine, where the tech scratches a few alignment-related parts with pliers and squirts some oil on other alignment parts, and we, folks, have a perfect fake alignment. 10 minutes work, $59. Think about that. 10 minutes per alignment would mean 6 per hour at $59 each, or $354 per hour. But you say, nah, never happened to me. Couldn't be, because my car always feels different when I get it back. Oh, really? Even if they did a fake alignment, the car will feel much different with new tires or rotated tires. So they fooled you there. Still hasn't happened to me. Nope, not my car. Because if they didn't really align it, my new tires would wear out too soon, just like the last set. Oops, come to think of it, they actually did wear out early again. When you go back to complain, they tell you to blame it on the lousy potholes, not their alignment. But even though they maintain it isn't their fault, they'll do you a favor for being a loyal customer and give you new tires at cost. Now you're blown away. These folks really are honest. The hell they are. They cheated you on your alignment, stole a bunch of your money. Next, they say they'll do another alignment free of charge. But when they get your car on the alignment machine, guess what? Now it supposedly needs more front-end parts. So you have another big bill. After they install the front-end parts, they do another fake alignment and the whole thing starts over again. Bottom line, they stole your money. You've been sold many hundreds of dollars of work. You may not have needed it. You've had multiple fake alignments, yet at the same time they made you smile. Pretty clever. Don't get me wrong, most shops are 100% honest. But like all businesses, there are a few bad ones who might try to scam you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Goss's Garage on YouTube. Follow us on Facebook. And for more car tips, tricks, money-saving ideas, visit goss-garage.com. Drive gently. See you next time right here in Goss's Garage.